Let's have a look at this thing.
What is it?
It's a brand new kit from Trumpeter. It's an Apache.
Dan would love this. Dan would be losing his mind.
He would be.
Won't he?
He would
Over
be.
at the Hobby Man, he'll be losing his mind over this.
So the biggest news over the year has been the Apache. All these different brands have been making it. Meng made one, Takem made it, and Trumpeter's got it too.
Jack A is going to have something to say about this.
Isn't he? Yeah, he's always got something to say. But Trumpeter makes some really good kits for a really good value. And it's got photo etch parts, and this is in 35th scale. So it's the same scale as all the little figurines. So it's easy to make a diorama.
35th.
Yeah, 1:35. But look how big the box is.
Is it detailed?
When you think about a tank is only going to be this big.
How big is it going to be?
It's going to be like this long. Oh, look. Let's crack it.
I'm cracking it.
Oh, yeah?
I'm cracking it.
All right, let's have a look. All right, that's showing off some of the features. And here is...
What is?
See, it's about the same length. Actually, once the nose goes on, it'll be a little bit longer than the box. That's got to be about 40 centimeters. It's pretty big. It's all happening, isn't it?
Nan, stop it.
Yeah, push this aside. I'm going to go in a bit tighter and show what sort of detail this has got.
You show me. Teach me something.
We're
Entertain
going
me.
to look at rivets.
Counting rivets, my favourite.
Where are we? Can we see these rivets?
Does it
Yeah,
have
probably
landing gear? How do helicopters sit? Do they sit,
This one's got wheels.
Do they sit on wheels?
Oh, I don't know if you can actually see these rivets. There's plenty of rivets here. Let me change the angles. Oh, there we go. They're coming up now. Let me focus that. Oh, I'm going out. There we go. Look how fine they are.
So the engine cover can be opened or closed.
So it's got full engine detail then.
Yeah, and a little prop to hold it open. A little prop to hold it
These are those
open.
little fine details. They just add so much to the model. Got the panel covers here. And this is where the main undercarriage is. There's this big shock with a wheel under here. And then got the big cannon under this point.
Cannon.
For blowing up tanks and stuff.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, it sounds a bit deadly.
And that's a little area where Prince Harry used to hang out.
What did he do there?
Well, he was a gunner in an Apache
How
in
do you know?
Afghanistan.
How do you know?
It's worldwide knowledge.
Nan wouldn't have been happy about that.
No, but she sent. Oh, she didn't say anything, did she? He went over. Can't remember how many tours he did. I think it was more than one too. You get your rotors. There's heaps of bits.
Lots of bits.
Beautiful, beautiful. There we go. So you got full cockpit detail. So that's the hardest thing about helicopters. You're going to have to do all the detail inside, get sandwiched together. Then you have to mask it and then do the rest of it.
So you have to mask the windows afterwards?
After you seal them into here, after you've done the cockpit. There you go. There we go.
I say,
Big Trumpeter.
I say Jack A should start getting this ready for
Yep.
Model Expo 2025.
Yes, there's enough time now.
He needs the practice.
That's right.
He's